So tonight we're at BONGO'S, which is Gloria Stefan's restaurant in HardRock. And we're just here celebrating a friend's birthday, having fun. Hey, I'll give you a little bit of a review. A little bit later on, I'll give you a little bit of a review later on. That's the wifie. Yeah. Yardie belly.
It's pretty dark in here, so excuse the lighting.
True that, true that.
It's like a very intimate ambiance.
Yeah, and we're just gonna give you a little bit of the feel of the place and food, and hopefully
it's a Cuban movie.
And it's split level, upstairs, downstairs, all around the place. Those are the friends that we're with, hanging out with for tonight. And yeah, just giving you a view, quick view, because I don't want people to get mad with me. All right. So we got some sangria and just $38 sangria. Blogging, bro. So our food has arrived, and show them the food. It's a whole fried snapper, and it's awesome. Awesome. I don't know. It's nice as a presentation. The proof is in the taste. So let's see what happens.
That's yours.
That's mine. And this is what I had, which is a shrimp in oil. Oh, garlic oil? Garlic butter or garlic oil. And this is the plantains. And let me just quickly look at some of the foods. That's a steak, I believe. That's rice. That's the whole chicken. And other folks are eating down there. Yeah. So this is shrimp and oil. And thanks, man. And yeah. So I totally like the sangria. The sangria is awesome. Yeah. So this is BONGO'S. This is what they do. Yeah. Food themselves. Let me taste it and see if it tastes good. If it not tastes good, me tell you no. I know me already. Yeah, we're cost. If it not tastes good, we're cost. Yeah. And if the prices are not bad, you know, it's relatively good prices, you know, for upscale price. So this is definitely a occasion place. Yeah, because you have cheap food all over the place, you see. So I like the sangria. Probably I love the liquor, me rum it. So should I go try the fish and make you know how the fish tastes? Make them know the fish tastes, yeah? We make them know. The noise is loud and the music turn up, so eventually, you know. Let me see. Oh, you're not supposed to dip in the black bean, it's too cream. It tastes good? Alright, I saw them say it tastes good. Look what's it. Alright, so we just finished eating the food. Yeah, it's alright if you like go out and eat. You know, Cuban food not that bad, but obviously we could have done better at the house. So how much shrimps we get? about 8 shrimps in a one plate of aisle. Not bad. Them said the aisle was
garlic butter.
Garlic, no, and a garlic butter is garlic aisle. I never really get no garlic neither, but again, the company and you know, eating out makes it a little bit special. So you can spend our money. The shrimp was like $22. The fish is like what, $30? $27 for the fish. Obviously, we as Jamaicans, we're gonna do better with that money at the supermarket. We're gonna go to Presidente or somewhere. But yeah, so we out. How was your fish?
I enjoyed it, but for me, it could have been, it could have a little bit more seasoning.
Why you demolish it though?
But with the black beans, it was fine. I mean, the saltiness of the black beans and
it merged well.
The taste of the fish is fine for me.
Because what I think they did was they just dropped the fish in a deep fryer, you know, and so yeah, in Jamaica, if we were doing this fish, we would pan sear it. We would fry it in a pan, and we would put seasoning on the inside and stuff like that. But
inside, outside, up, brown, and all over.
Yeah,
seasoning.
It's nice presentation, as I said. I like the plant them nice. Them almost nice like my plant in my yard, but my plant better. You know, yeah, other people finish eat, and you know, comfortable. Yeah, don't want to invade the people in privacy. But I would definitely recommend that you come to this place, you know, for birthday or any celebration. Yeah.
Bachelorette.
Yeah, a whole lot of stuff. Engagement, you know,
it's a good vibe.
Good little vibe. Hang out with friends and stuff, and just build a vibes. May I go in for the fish there, you know, you know.
I feel like we must carry it home still because the
you want to carry it home?
Then
tell them to carry it home.
Yeah. In order to
we'll get a container and carry it home for the dog.
Like a nice gravy.
It's doggy bag.
Which doggy?
For the dog them were there down at the yard.
What dog name?
Dog named Sendtohope. The dog named Yardie belly. So yeah, and when you put the lime or the lemon pan it really kick it up a notch, you know. As I said, my shrimps were done nicely. It wasn't bad. It didn't have as much seasoning as I'm used to, but as I said, it wasn't bad. And I would give this place out of 10. I would give this place for decor and ambiance and vibes, I would give it maybe 8 out of 10. For food, because I'm prejudicial, the food would maybe be 7 or 6. You know, it was good, nice presentation. And remember, it's not Jamaican food, it's Cuban food. So you have to have a palate for that, you know?
I guess if we were Cubans,
yeah,
we would have
maybe,
a better
right.
appreciation.
But aside from that, it was good. And the night is not over. May I drink more sangria and hopefully me get tips there. Shake it, drink some.
What my problem doing now?
Yeah.
When I'm drinking these juices, that's what you call them juice.
Yeah.
Drinks. When I'm having drink and it's I tend to go in like I'm drinking some orange juice, which is bad.
No, she drink the drinks like a thing. The sangria.
I have to catch myself and say,
yeah, when she drinks, so I mean, I said drink. Yeah, the belly in a fire. That's what the thing said. This is my experience here at BONGO'S Cuban Cafe, and it's in the HardRock. I'm gonna do a little outside video shoot, and then yeah, we see how the rest side go. And there's the birthday boy. All the way up there, so. Yeah? And they just sang happy birthday, but me they run late with the videotaping, so yeah. That's why it never happened. And you have an upper level too. Yeah, I want you guys to look at the upper level. Yeah? See, you go up this level and you have dining up there as well. Overall, the staff is very, very friendly. You know, they jump around quick, try to meet your needs. You know, nobody wants you to be sitting down looking and stuff. So I just continue my review of Bongo's. Very nice place. Me like it. Me like it a lot. outside of Bongo's, and as you can see, it goes all the way up to the ceiling, up to the roof rather. No sense. But yeah, this is the HardRock Cafe, HardRock property, the hotel and casino property, and this is Bongo's Sky Lounge, and we were on the inside there. But I mean, as I said, for a good place to Lime to hang out, you know, it's always a nice place. Prices are competitive. The food is not a Jamaican flavor quality food, but it's good enough, you know, if you have Billa vibes. Yeah, so I just make on know if in South Florida, especially in the Fort Lauderdale region or the Dana Beach region or even Miramar, even Miami. I mean, you can always jump on a Lyft or a Uber or somebody and carry them and come up here if you're visiting, or if you live here, you come on to the family, a significant other. Obviously, it's not a picnic place, so then they expect you to carry the picnic. So the birthday brethren them, yeah, and him significant other, yeah. So that's Bongo's, all right, and it's a Gloria Estefan's restaurant, I think, yeah, or the Estefan family restaurant in the HardRock Casino. Good review, good place to eat, good vibes, and as everything said, yeah, straight. Yardie belly in our hurry. That was it.